What's going down, my peeps? All right, this video is really dedicated to helping you guys understand why protein powders are not as effective as you think. But I'm going to give you a tip here that's going to really help you make your protein powders work better. The body was designed to work off of real whole food, not processed food. So think of it like a filter. The body was designed as a filter to run off only clean, fresh, mountain, crystal clear water. Any processed food, including protein powders, is like running dirty, nasty, stinky creek water through that filter that's designed for that crystal clear mountain water. So, protein powders taste good, they're convenient, I get it. Simple tip. You can take basically half of your serving of protein powder mixed with 1 cup of pasteurized egg whites, and now you've added in the element of real food with the taste of the protein powder. That alone will help you make progress unbelievably. You know, when you got 50 grams of protein powder, you're not actually getting all that 50 grams because it's a processed product. The filter's not made to work with that processed product. So you add the pasteurized egg whites in, now you got something. You'd be really surprised. Give this a try. This will help. You're gonna notice you recover faster. You're gonna notice all sorts of positive things. So 1 cup of pasteurized egg whites with half of your normal protein powder serving, give it a shot. John Andersen with a little more deep water.